Yo, hey yo, what's on YouTube? This is Edo Unboxing Official. Welcome to another episode, man. Today's episode, I'm gonna unbox this Madeshow hair trimmer with the model number M11. So, stay tuned. Yo, I'm very happy that Madeshow got their own combo trimmer. Before they brought out their clipper, and now the same style with their trimmer, So it's really good, And they also included these combs, which I found very good, and also some other stuffs. Okay, so let's talk about this hair trimmer. Operating time 2.5 hours, and I got 7,200 RPM, and the motor is really quiet. Okay, charging time also 2 hours, got 6.5 watts. So got also 3 colors, just like the clipper, everything like the clipper, just this one is a trimmer, So let's open it up, man. So like I said, everything just like the clipper, This is the manual, charging cable, and you got adapter, and the extra gifts. So oil and a little brush. So nothing else inside, as you can see. So this is the hair trimmer, and try to zero gap it, So everything the same like the hair clipper. Charging port also the same. Charging cable the same like the clipper. See that? Everything the same. So let's turn it on, man. So this is the box of the hair clipper. So everything pretty the same, Okay. So see that? Red is my favorite color, so I just also pick up the red one, which is good. Okay, this one got taper blade, but I prefer the fade blade, you know. See that? Everything the same. The clipper is more quieter, you know, and I feel this one is more faster, you know. Now let's check. See that? About the blade. If you have a JRL blade, then you know it's the same. I can easily put Andy's GTX blade. Yeah. This blade is okay, but I prefer this blade for kits, you know, because kits doesn't have a really strong hair, so I prefer using this for my kits. That's it, guys, for the unboxing, and peace out, man. Alright.